Welcome back to another episode of Golf Cart Experts. I'm Mike with Golf Cart Tire Supply. Today we're going to be installing these black and gray carbon fiber armrests on the rear seat of our EasyGo TXT. Included in the kit are the padded armrests, the necessary hardware, as well as the metal brackets needed to attach them to the rear seat frame. You will need a 10mm socket for your installation. Please subscribe to the channel for more installation and product videos, and thank you for watching today's video.